regular, regular. Pretty for real and pretty.
Let's go give away another house.
I had no problem being in a short-term relationship with that man.
Welcome to the social media countdown. Yeah. Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. It's on Monday evening and Monday night. Hopefully you had an amazing weekend, but it's now time to jump into some of the pop culture excitement and all of these festivities. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the show.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Skillibeng, BET. Okay, me read those. Me bap. Alright, so dancehall artist Skillibeng graced the stage at this year's staging of the BET Awards alongside Tyler and Gunna. Now, before me jump into all of that, I have to go and go say it was nice to see the Jamaican representation there. And so Skillibeng wasn't there on the stage, just there, so him go around the red carpet and show a female look. And yeah, man, this is how Skillibeng was wearing. So he says, he must step outside of the box and try different things with the fashion. Spice was also in attendance and she did wear one nice little, I don't know, this did nice, one different shade of blue, not the regular blue what we normally see she in her. So it was definitely a nice look. And also we had YG Marley in the house, and so he had an amazing performance alongside his mother, none other than Lauryn Hill. So you can go check out YG performance right now.
Oh no.
Oh God, yes. And so good job YG Marley. But no, me have to talk about Skillibeng performance and what people had to say online. No, let me just say, me love the song with Tyler. Tyler, amazing album she have. And the song putting on Skillibeng there, me think honestly, she never really did need Gunna. The way all Skillibeng deal with this song, he made it his own. And so I was very excited to see this him sharing stage at the BET Awards. No, when the performance got open out, and me see him in the middle now, I see the youth them and stuff. Me I watch them and I say, all right then, yeah man, do your thing, Skillibeng. And then right there and then, something backs me in my face and said, remember the Jamaican mentality. And I said, Jesus, Father God, me just know. I just know. Sometimes you have to come out of this and put on a shades. Like, hold on, give me a second. All right, sometimes you have to just go dark. When you watch certain things, the Jamaican side, you have to look on things dark. So when me look on it, now me I say, yo, why Skillibeng up on the stage where you have about 10 man round him, a dance and a shake up them body? What at a guan? You get me? And yeah, so watch the performance so we can talk after.
Original girl, you are no replica. Smoke dean, no regular, regular.
I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class so I get around the world.
Oh yeah. So, I enjoy the performance. I like that Skillibeng was there stepping out of his comfort zone. And when we talk about comfort zone, it's more about like, I guess, working the stage because I see my try give to the audience, but then also to the people at home, and then I be mindful of where the camera is moving. You can tell it's a new world for him. And so it was a little bit reserved in his performance, but towards the last part, I can feel like he got more comfortable on stage when he did try to get, the crowd participation as well. Now, as for the people and the people that might dance around him, listen, it's a production. And in a dance hall, me just know nobody, you can't tell them dance hall artists if you do choreography, no routine, them not do that. But this was Tyler's set. And so she was trying to incorporate him, and I got the concept. I guess it's supposed to be Africa, so in the jungle, and then he would have kind of been a film tribe, and she around there. Was it a tiger or a lion? Something she did about in a one cage, and it was supposed to be that sort of vibe. And because of the, the drums and the stuff, I guess it kind of makes sense. Skillibeng would have been like the leader in the middle. But me just know when Jamaican people look on it, this is exactly what they're going to see. But it's not anything surprising. Some years ago when Bounty Killer did do the song with No Doubt, they had one of the band members them did streak in the video that basically mean they'd run naked some part, and then Bounty Killer there forgot answer to that as well. So I just Jamaica, okay? In any other part of the world, and I fit the price of rice. But Burritos, let me know what you make of Skilly's performance and how happy are you to see him at this level in his career. Sound off below. Number 9, Trials Highlight. Okay, Burritos, no, but I forgot I'm going to talk about Kishan Thompson, the world with the world leading time of 9.77 seconds in the 100 meters. So you see, right after that brother win the race, the brother does sprint, go right round to his coach. And when he went around there, he came across his lovely mother who was just waiting to, hug her son and congratulate him. Watch.
Breathe. Are you ready with me? Just now come. No, 2 minutes soup there. Eh? Come on, man. Okay, come on. Go down.
Oh, you mean you're the first one I did that? Come pick up from the first, and then the media. Same side pick up. What is going on? Look at it.
I'm stuck. Is he? I'm sorry. Yeah, go back inside. You have to go talk to me. Good job. Good job. Go back inside.
That's my boy. Woo! Oh, baby. Congrats, Kishan. I love you. Congrats, Kishan. You have done well. You have done well.
Calm down, mommy. Calm down.
You have done well.
Oh, boy. I just love moments like this. I love moments like this. And when we have the Olympics, TVJ and CVM go back to what they used to do back in the day with the Olympic and World Championship coverage and show the moments with them in the community and see them talk to the family members and show it live while them watch the matches in them living room. We like the little moments here, and let me just say this, a new star is born. A lot of people have been doing research on Kishan Thompson, but he's been a stellar athlete all his life, and so this way you call it. He's always had the speed, but as him say, it's about putting that proper race together with the coach's instructions, and it seems as if he's able to do so in 2024. And so we have Oblique Seville, we have Akeem, we have so many amazing sprinters right now. So it's going to be a very exciting Olympic Games. So Burritos, let me know how happy were you while you were watching this moment with Kishan and his mom. Sound off in the comments. Number 8, calf and pull. We are lucky cows. We chew the cud that grows. We eat. All right, we'll just stop right there. So I'm going to remember the song. Anchor the green. Yeah, so I don't know the song, man. If you don't know the song, yeah, man, I know the knee are hurting right now. If you don't remember that song, I know sometime when I go to bed and wake up and I feel some giant pain. Come on, man. Who's with me? Alright, Burritos. So now it looks as if these animals are going crazy. Now, earlier in the countdown of the show, a cow, a full-grown cow, on a football field, looked like him want to go join the match. And now, I don't know if a female offspring this, but one calf decided to just run down these girls and see if him can make him way to the Olympic Games. Watch.
Run it. Good class. Rascal! Rascal!
That is what you call a cow called boy. Oh my God, Jesus, P man, like, no man, that is it. Run for your life. Nobody can tell me, say, this cow was not playing one of them primary school games. They're like, I think he just wanted to get in there. There's two things. Is either that cow, did I play stock and pull? You remember stock and pull where you're supposed to run and somebody touch you? That means say you have to just freeze, you have to just can't move, you have to just stay there like the Beyonce Mute Challenge. Remember the game that we used to play? What the challenge the name some time ago again? The where the name of the I did one TikTok chat train? The mannequin challenge. You remember that? When they use stuffy, I do the video that my body does suppose that the stock and pull thing, they maybe other time I play, or school did done. And that cow was actively in a game of last league. Come on, man. You know how last league used to go. You would spend hours and run down each other, tag each other, just so you can feel like you end up a win. And when you know you win, you have to time it the right way when you can see your parents come pick you up. And then come in at the bus or the vehicle, and you run, go out and do the last league, and then sprint going at the car. So the person can't catch you until tomorrow morning. That is all. So that is what the cow did I try to jump in and do. Either that time did I try to get when I spot them on the relay team. I don't know. Boy, oh boy. Boy, I feel bad to Jamaica 4x14 and make the relays, you know. Jaja. Anyway, maybe that cow you can do something. So now below Berrydos. Number 7, grad season JA, my reunion. Okay, Berrydos. So, you know, say a graduation season now, and all of these kiddies, these high schoolers have been posting up their videos. And one of the things that me, I feel look upon now is that why them school youth year I do things so differently? Why them have to so festive? Why them have to so enjoymentical? You know the word that sound like it really could have run the place though. Can you say it with me, Berrydos? Enjoymentical. Kiddies who are watching, say it with me. Enjoy what? Mentical. And what is the part of speech of enjoymentical?
What part of speech? Hysterical. That was an enjoymentical performance. Yeah, okay, we can work with it. Anywho, let me just show you the videos them now, and this is now starting off with, is it Garfield Maceo High? Yeah, watch.
Wow, must be nice. Must be nice for going with yourself like this at a graduation ceremony. That must be nice. You see, y'all little Gen Zs, y'all are getting away with murder. Oh no, I'd get to do some fun things and some very enjoymentical stuff that people like me never get. We did have to go to, boy, we can't talk about it, brother, you know. R. Kelly, what do you forgot to? I am a mountain. I am a tall tree. Oh, I am a swift wind. Sweeping in the country. If anybody asks me who I am, I know they have to do like a dead walk. And stand up tall, look them in the face. If you want a little life, you just put in a day. I'm that tall up in the sky. So go so. Oh, Jaja, wrong version. You see, that's why the elephant man, you know. The elephant man. All right, Jaja. Anyway, but we don't know what them Sunday we there for listen to. We couldn't do them little papa. But it's nice to see, you know, that the school organizers are listening to the kids now and making them more involved and, you know, encouraging them to participate. And so, boy, you just enjoy yourself, yeah. Just as long as you don't go up there and go up on the head tap and split and them or something like that. Just keep it cute. Okay? All right, burritos, once again, another reminder. Thank you so much, Grand Palladium, for sponsoring the countdown. Make sure that is where you stay whenever you vacation in Jamaica, especially if I don't have Montego Bay there, and for some fest this year. Anyway, let me just jump to the next number. Number 6, Crazy Love Story. Me love Kumix. All right, burritos, no. So I don't know. Maybe you not live on that rock. Okay, big up the rock people them. Okay, big up the ones that know how to rock. Woo! Yeah, come from under the rock now. Me have things to tell you. All right? Yes. So now that we are here, so there is a soca influencer couple by the name of Kumix and Shan, right? And so, you know, Kumix is he's a now new soca artist and an influencer that he's often, you know, traveled around the different islands for their carnival celebration and wind up on different gal and all kind of things. It's like what me I call him now? He's like how you have Shenseea in Jamaica. Him is like a male soca Shenseea. You know, got the party them and, you know, in popular, and he was like the opposite of where I consider like a dolly. Like him just over there, so you get me like a mannequin. All right, so over there, so and the girl them love him. So now he's been dating this new influencer in the space. Her name is Shan, and so many people were like, "Wait, wagwan, is this love? Is this fiction? Is it something in between?" But they attempted to clear up all of that when they were invited on the Hear Me Out podcast. And people, when I tell you that this conversation was, boy, them talk about how them used to date.
My next point. So I feel like that's a lot of the confusion with a lot of people. So a lot of people
don't understand why you with me.
A lot of people think you. I'm trying to say it makes it possible.
Yeah, you're my friend.
I'm your friend, but people think you're not a match.
I get it. And that's the business.
So for people that think you guys are not a match, what you want to say?
I know exactly what it is. You're not right. I'm going to tell you what it is.
I was telling them all their mother tongue, but you might articulate it a little bit.
Listen, you shouldn't do that, yeah? Because if I was walking on the street, Kumi would not have stopped me. I'm not this type. I have no ass. And that's his first thing. That's the first thing he liked. My natural features are not what he's attracted to. It's not nothing like that. We literally, like I just said, we was gonna go to Jamaica and St. Lucia together. So we was gonna work together for a little bit. So it was like we could just do this for 2 months. We didn't think it was going to fall into. We was just going to date for the sake of. I genuinely trying to be better, and it was that transactional. I don't say this all the time. I don't know how people have the questions.
In the beginning, it was very transactional.
Very transactional.
Like we could not imagine all of this from that time.
You know how we end up like this?
How?
Because I said it could be open, and because obviously it was transactional. We didn't even have sex when we said we wanted to be together. We ended up sleeping together when we was already together, and it was open. So I had no rules in the beginning, and he was sleeping with every bitch in New York.
When she said it was open, right? Like in my defense.
That's another question for the people. The people want to figure out. So y'all together, but you still fucking. So
he was still fucking.
Listen.
So when did it stop? Yesterday?
Listen.
Nah. I would say that I would put my name, my brand, everything on this. I dare any woman in the world to come up and say that you know for a fact that this me and this man married. You have had him. I dare anyone.
I dare anyone.
Just
hear me out.
Because any woman that says Korea had it.
Okay, hold
used
on.
to be. I have to tell the truth, Key. They're gonna ask.
I don't know what you're gonna answer. I just don't know what you're gonna answer.
This boy in the beginning of us, because of how transactional we were, he was telling his own friends, "Nah, bro, it's just a short-time thing. Nah, bro, you're not really that valid. Nah, bro, it's not real. Nah, bro, it's not true."
I wasn't
jacking
he was
doing that.
I wasn't jacking
because
it.
Key would have looked good enough.
Yeah.
Well, it's more than that. I wasn't jacking it. I wasn't jacking it because listen, I wasn't jacking it because the look didn't match up to the look that I wanted for a relationship. That was one.
And it didn't match up to me.
It didn't match up to me. I told her that. And then also because it was so transactional at the beginning, I didn't think this was gonna be a long-term thing. So my close friends, I was kind of just letting them know, like, hey,
He thought he was going to get
like this. Yeah, I was like, this is not really this ain't really
And there was a and what happened is they don't even know that that's what happened because it was such a.
Oh, they came across each other that they have an open relationship. They spoke about just the intricacies of like what her father, they tell her about him and say her father was just so happy that she find one man like that, and it looked like she did, even her father did so shocked, say she get a decent looking man.
Leave the party. He cut me drive home. I was like, okay, baby, go ahead, have fun. Have fun. He went, he slept with some girl. We didn't have no problem. We didn't have no beef. It was cool. So I was like, okay, maybe we found a dynamic because I have a weird fetish on him being attracted to women that societal definition of bad and then still coming home to me. It's a weird feeling. So I like that.
I feel like a lot of women.
I feel like a lot of him liking girls that look better than you.
Yeah.
But they can't have him. But they can't have him because you got him. But what the hell? That's a crazy fetish.
I actually feel like it's a crazy one. I feel like it's a unique one, but not crazy. I feel like it makes sense. Like other girls would have that too.
So
like, you're flirting. I saw that in Gossip Girl actually.
Yes.
Yeah, that was
yes. One was the guy was Chuck.
Yeah.
Okay, so he kind of tell the story. And I was so mad, all my friends were mad, and I told my dad, and my stupid father told me, relax yourself. You will, he could get any woman that is better than you, and you have to be grateful for him, and that pissed me off more. So now I take all that shit out on him. That's what my father tell me.
Yeah.
So I was like, I took all him, I was done. And instead, we were like negating and working through that pain, and somehow that.
It was just, boy, it said a lot. But what took the cake, is this little clip when Kumix shared that him did sleep with a whole heap of woman in a 1 week. Watch.
This is the honest truth. This is as truthful as it gets. I told this boy, man, he was talking one time within a week, and in that 1 week, he slapped like 9 things and I shot with a see all.
He had sex with 9 girls in a week.
I'm sorry, baby, I tell the truth.
Boy, you know what kill me is that the host them a stretch over Shan for high five Kumix. When you have guy talk and them something, they do that, but not while the wife in front of you're like, yeah, bro, yeah, Jaja. It's rough, but they definitely stated that they had an open relationship and now it is closed and that their relationship is real. But you know, one of the woman, them, the little feminists, them jump out and I say, Shan, this don't look good for your girl. This don't look good. This make you look like one little yamed, like you don't know your worth, you don't know your value, all kind of little something like yeah, seckle, but you cannot see it. The girl must say, it look like she all married her father, you know, if you get over that same hurt, she never book up the same man like her father. And I've met Kumix is a very intelligent youth, him care about the soca space, but you just know same as a girl magnet. You get me? And so I appreciate their honesty because once again, when I really have a lot of conversations like this where they never have to come on a podcast and talk up them business like this. But maybe it would help to inspire others and to show people that there are, in fact, different types of relationships. And once Shan is grown and is able to say, hey, I have no problem being in an open relationship or with somebody who might be more, what you call it, based on societal standards, have more options than I do, it's fine. And at the end of the day, well, different type of relationships, so I just drop this. Sometimes the man is the more attractive one in the relationship. What we have come to see also is that, you know, the man supposed to be the uglier one and the woman supposed to be the one where have more options. But there are different types of relationships and I don't think people are supposed to make Shan feel any lesser than herself because she pulled someone that people would have deemed out of her league. She have to have something to bring to the table and some value that clearly Kumix sees as well. So, Burritos, let me know what you make of this situation. Is this relationship goals for you still? Or you prefer to just stay one side and wait until you can pop your balloon in a real life? Sound off below. Number 5, JPS love story. Me bangarang. Okay, Burritos, now me just come from one crazy love story now me jump on to this one. And let me just say that the scammers, them plenty much in a Jamaica, but people are still trying to just go through that and find their happiness and to find their love. And so on this online look dating matchup, this woman come from foreign. Me don't know how she come across this youth, but this youth was spitting some very disingenuous, duplicitous lyrics and rationale towards her. Take a look.
I don't do that though.
Where do you work?
I'm a JPS.
You're a what's the
JPS. That's like a letter Shan, but it's not a letter Shan. It's more than bigger than letter Shan.
So what does JPS stand for?
JPS stand for like when your light gone, like the old system gone, we fix it back. We fix it back.
So is that like a part-time job or that's a full-time job?
No, that is complicated. Like that bigger than Letition, it is like I'm gonna tell you. Alright, if you don't got current, you cannot charge your phone, you cannot watch TV, your fridge cannot on.
Okay, but what does JPS stand for though?
JPS stand for it is a big company because if you don't got you don't have no one of any current.
Oh, so it's not an abbreviation, it's just like JPS. It's not an abbreviation.
It's JPS. I don't know what is it in your country, but it's JPS in Jamaica.
You know what? What do you say after something like that? Like, when Mr. JPS stand for? When Mr. JPS is? Because the woman asks what JPS stand for, I explain what kind of service JPS do. Like, Jesus, P, man, I tell you, no, man, and I tell you, no, I will. Yeah, that's what I'm saying?
Charge your phone, put your fridge on.
Oh, that's what, no, man. You can't dance, you know, but you can't illiterate, so. You can't dark, but good, man, you must have one little candle catch up one part of your cranium. Come on, man, it can't just completely fully dark. Jesus, P, man. I know the fact that them brother you get woman, you know. Them brother you get woman. Might not be the fine woman. Well, let me just shut my mouth, you know. Them brother you be getting girls, so. You know, find love wherever you find it, okay? Rihanna did sing one song and say, we found love in a hopeless place. To that brother is where you can go and find it, all right? Let me know what you make of that connection. Sound off in the comments. Number 4, Mac slapped me Will Smith. All right, burritos know. So you know, the social media space has been brewing. It come like say there has to be some turmoil in the air for dancehall can take place. And so some days ago now, you know, the story came out where Valiant was at Taboo. He was there with Armani and DJ Mac, and you know, Valiant a perform and all kind of things. Can go check out piece of little performance, right? Yes, so
Fresh drop.
yes, so that was Valiant's performance. Now, right after that, now, him go leave. I don't know what kind of spirit go tell him to leave, but he left. And then shortly after now, when we are here, according to the YouTube streets and all of these vloggers will jump on and say, well, go and view good morning, viewers and subscribers, you're welcome to another. You know them type of YouTuber, they may get like the tea right after it happened, like 10 seconds after it happened, right? And so according to the YouTube streets, Popcaan now deal with Valiant. So Popcaan didn't want to go up there for go page Valiant and make Valiant know who are the boss, because you can't just go around the place and style him. Okay? So Popcaan go up there for Valiant now. When he reach, must go get the memo say Valiant cut early. Valiant cut, and the only person him could have catch from Valiant Connection crew was DJ Mac. And this is what ensued. Yeah, man, the spirit of boxification was among them, like box and things, just a fling. Like, me don't know grown men in a parking lot outside a Taboo appear dandy shandy with NEC. Come on, man. Come on. If you don't want to play a little field game, you don't go join the cow when it earlier than the countdown. Don't play these type of games, man. We're grown. We're grown. If you want to battle, you go up there and you battle. You never watch Omarion and now you got served. Popcaan, why you couldn't say Valiant, you just step to him and you just say, yo, you want to battle? I want to just go in and do them something. I don't know. That is what you could have do. That would have been good for the culture. I want to get for show off on the talent. Like, why not waste liquor? I don't know, liquor expensive. Could have taken it and go get a couple, could have buy some way, what you call it now, Birkin, you know, contribute to something. What the Bridget sandals to two of the girl living on the crew. Come on, man. Can we sing this song again? Come on, sing it with me. Let there be peace on earth and let it begin with we. Yeah, man, sing it, Popcaan. With every breath I take, Valiant, that is why you slap DJ Mac in him face and put it right up on the internet? Let there be peace in dancehall, and let it also reach over Spice and RT Boss. Oh, wow, sorry. I said I was not going to mention them, but boy, they need some of the peace and love also. All right. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and also, guess who joined in the conversation? TJ. Because TJ go up on stage and go say this now. Boy, no TJ, boy, you just add insult to injury right now, like, boy. But Mac has been coming on social media saying it is fake news, but like, the streets are saying something definitely happened. But me just hopefully this just rests. Me don't want a retaliation. We can't bother. We already have Ninja Man and Vibes Cartel in a prison right now. Just, Jaja. Burritos, what do you make of this scenario? Sound off in the comments. Number 3, cheering fail. Me pom pom. All right, now, so, you know, a graduation season, so people are out to support their loved ones. The mothers, them are come out to support them son and them daughter, family members to support them nephews and them niece and grandpitney. It is just all love in the air. And when you're going through a momentous occasion like this, you want people to show up and support you 100%. But that 100% don't mean, say, your vocals and your voice need for up there, need for in a them space here. Just watch what happened to this very supportive mom.
Taylor Walker.
I'm so sorry.
No, before we talk, like, did you see that turn around? The woman is like, whoa! The turn around like...
Play the video again. Play the video again.
No, man, I know that lady have her pity them under manners. Because that look, yeah, man, that look, make you fall in line same time. No, boy, oh boy, that look, man, that Jesus P, man, like, that was a strong look. You know, so the woman, they probably had dinner discipline or something like, you know, they them function here front row, and the old school don't know you by your name and know, so them for just beware of you when them see you. Like, that look, they remind me of the church song, Lord have mercy. Come on now, brothers and sisters, come on now. Sing it. Yeah. Only a look. Yeah, man. Show the woman graduation face. Yes, that's it. All right, that's it. Oh, God, me never gonna stop until I remember the song, you know. Only a look. Yeah, man, because people don't use to go to church and know little stuff, man. Come on. Anyway, but that is it, you know, like, you know, the protocol is that typically them wait until the end of all of the names have been called for there to be one big applause, and that's usually the policy that is in place. But you know, 1 and 2 people, once you see your relatives, them, you have to go create like excitement and nice. That's just so it go. Okay, so Barry doesn't let me know, are you this type of parent? Sound of below. Number 2, Shenseea Stony Hill story. Alright, Barry does know. So Romain, Jesus Christ, let me get Romain from. Ramesh was recently on Wayne Marshall's The Cut TV show, and he was there and he was speaking about Shenseea and how he discovered her talent. And one of the clips that has gone viral was when he shared the lens to which Shenseea brought herself so she can give herself a chance in the music industry. Take a listen.
Next day I meet Shen come at the office and her slippers bust and pop. And I say, well, I'm there, man, you know that brown girl, man, must have 2 man, I then go buy one slipper. And she said, no, I have a son that is 3 months old and I'm alone to take care of him. And she looked at me straight and said, this is my only slippers, I don't have no more slippers.
So you
listen me now, and I see the day there. I look at her and I say, yo, you good? Where you come from? And she say, I walked. She live at Stony Hill. This is the first day I meet her to come and work, you know. Because her friend just say, yo, I have a friend and she want to work. And I say, yeah, man, make them work. I say, come, I see this and I see this pretty little brown girl. And I say, yo, white squall a killer because she look hungry and mouth dry. I not no exaggeration.
Yeah.
No, and I say, yo, you hungry? And she say, yeah. And I send go buy her food and I not reason. I send go buy her slippers for her. And at this, so she start work and I tell her this. Me and her don't know nothing about music for the first 6 months. I watch her work. When she went to Dream Week and her work, she sold more bottles than with 10 girls sell together. Because remember Moit, they gave her an incentive of 60,000 because she sold the most bottles.
Really?
Remember Dream and them say, yo, we love her. I always put her on this. Right. Until one day me have one of youth them where round me with a DJ, we turn Ding road manager now, Scrappy.
Yeah.
Scrappy send me a video of her sing and a DJ.
Yeah.
So I look at her and I say, yo, it's just like me. I say, yo, the pretty girl, yeah, with the big dirty man voice, yeah.
Yeah.
We're big, so.
Yeah.
Them time I say me done with music, you know. Yo, let me tell you this. Young artists, we don't have to just push and just fight, but we don't have to find a 95 with the music because it's rough. Then I tell nobody stuff because it is depressing.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've heard this story before, and each time I hear it, it inspires me. But like what people, you know, they don't talk about, you know, TikTok. Them take a little part time where you mentioned, say, she walk all the way from Stony Hill, come down there with her shoes and barely did a carry her, for come a film studios all the way. Where many studios there? All me know it far, in a regular far, you know, this a far, it will be hard back at it. Like, I know a regular journey, like, not even the people that will do 5,000, 10,000 meters would I do this without breaking a knee or some sort of grind pain. Okay? And so, this social media user spoke about that little lapse in the communication.
So, Shenseea really walked from Stony Hill, go all the way to Ramesh. I am from Stony Hill as well. I know Stony Hill, born and raised. For walk, come down on the flats, which part on the flats she go with them road there. Maybe she want go, she take a bus go half a tree and then probably walk go on Ramesh, but for walk from Stony Hill, maybe me hear something wrong. Cause him say she walk all the way go by him That's impossible. That is impossible because even if you know the back road, Old Stony Road, and want come down, okay, you know you can come from Old Stony Road and come down pan Constant Spring and then go through and go down pan the flats. Me just try match it out. Him never that tell us. Me not think him didn't tell a part there right, or maybe that's why I remember. But for walk from Stony Hill, walk from my Stony Hill, that same Stony Hill. Me and Shenseea come from the same Stony Hill, and if me and for walk from like the mats cause whisper pan the road.
Listen, if Ramesh wants to do a little hyperbole, a little exaggeration, listen, I get the concern. Is the idea that Shenseea must just have baby and then she do all of that. That is not a regular walk. That is a proper walk, but I think he just wanted to drive home the point that this girl definitely was willing to go an extreme length to ensure that she gives herself a chance in this industry. And that grit and determination is something that is lacking in a lot of people who want to, see success. Them see the story and them do not, them see the glory and them don't know the story. And so I'm very happy that Ramesh was able to go and share this. And regardless of the fact, if Shenseea did walk all of that length or she did just take a little bus or something, all we know she did walk. And she did a journey as a young woman who just have baby. And what does that say? Shaggy tell me best. The strength of a woman. Come on, man. Yeah, man. That's it, Shenseea. Big up yourself. People, let me know. What's the furthest you ever walk figure get a goal? Sound off in the comments. I'm going to talk for where jump and Jim Screech if you got a man yard and woman yard hours a night. We're not talk about that. Okay? Because the goal cannot be front and hood. Come on. Berry does do better. 2024. We're talking about your goals. Not your... All right.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Officer, you know, say, I just killed my girlfriend and give me one with 3 man in my bed. I mean, what do I do?
And number 1 goes to... MrBeast housing. Wow. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to MrBeast hunting and the comparisons what people have put with him and our Prime Minister Andrew Holness. So let me just jump into it. If you don't know who MrBeast is, what we just call him the face of YouTube. He has over 113 million subscribers on the platform. Like when he posts a video, by it reach like 2 minutes, you already have about 500,000 views. He has a very large fan base, right? And in recent times, he's taken all of his support and the love and his financial status to enter in the philanthropic space. So he has been giving back. He's been giving donations. Some months ago, he actually created a well, providing water for a village in Africa. And of course, he documented it and people love it, right? And so in a recent video that he uploaded to his YouTube channel, he shared that he made and gave away over 100 houses. And a lot of the promo and the marketing was all about the Jamaican component. Take a little look.
In this video, we are building and giving away 100 houses. And each home is going to change a family's life. Like this family, who didn't have a house to call their own. And they have no idea we just built them one. Take off your blindfolds and turn around. Behind you is your brand new home. Oh, I was not expecting that reaction. She is freaking out.
I always want them to have a bunk bed. I'm a dream come true.
And this is just the first of 100 houses we're giving away.
First?
I'm glad they're happy. Let's go give away another house. With every single home we're building in this video, we're improving quality of life for families who don't have a safe space to call home. And we spent millions of dollars just on this video building these houses. Because here in Jamaica, there are currently over 500,000 people living in unsafe, life-threatening conditions, like this next family, whose house is so unsafe and unstable that it could literally collapse on them at any given moment. So you built this place?
Yeah.
By yourself?
Yeah, I brought boards and all materials they see.
But we're on top of a mountain, so you carried all this material up this mountain.
Yep. On my head.
Wow. We knew we wanted to build this family a house, so we sent them on a mini vacation so that we had enough time to work with our partners to build them a brand new home. You're about to witness a family that lives in this house go to living in this house, and I cannot wait to see the look on their faces.
Oh my.
What you're looking at is your brand new home. The trip we sent you guys on was just a decoy so we could have time to build this brand new house for you. You want to see the inside? Come check it out.
Whoa.
We noticed that you guys might need some new furniture, so we completely furnished your new home. Now, on top of electricity, you have a water tank for running water. We put bunk beds in this room for 2 of the kids.
Oh my.
And if you go across the hallway, you'll see your bedroom.
Nice.
With a little crib, because I heard you had a newborn.
Tyra, that's your crib. It's been really hard, and you guys changed my life.
Here's officially the deed to the house.
Thank you guys so much.
And it sucks, but some of these places that these families live are extremely unsafe and in some cases life-threatening. That's where this family currently lives. The mom was telling us that roof doesn't work.
Whenever the rain falls, the whole place flooded, all over here.
Her kids get soaked and can't sleep. And as of today, that will not happen again. We built that brand new home for you. Here's the keys.
Oh my God. I got a new house.
But of course, this was just the beginning. We were able to build home after home for families in Jamaica.
Wow, MrBeast, like, you know, like, big up for that. Like, definitely appreciate that he stopped by and contributed to Jamaica. No, when I'm not gonna kid you, when I saw the title and I saw 100 houses, I was just like, my God, to Jamaica, a wagwan, what kind of little, you know, wagwan that's a cafe, you know, somebody come and give that many whole homes in Jamaica. May I say, is this some sort of partnership that is being leveraged right here? But after watching the full video, Jamaica never get all of the 100 house them. Like he visited several places around the Caribbean and gave to other people as well. And they were very much living in some deplorable conditions and were in need of this sort of financial and structural, I don't know where it goes up, support. Okay, so I think in Jamaica, he only gave about like, I think it was under 30, probably about between 10 to 25 homes that were built in Jamaica. And once that happened, people were, of course, applauding the efforts, but right there and then, it did want to look like it has shown up the Jamaican government. Because that looked like, imagine, if you literally have one function or something that go on, and your wife go give you a present, and the present she give you just one like a sauce or tie. And then now your co-worker now, which is gonna come like called your office wife, come in now and give you like a brand new Rolex watch. Right there and then it look bad. Everybody will look on the wife and be like, no man, you need to step your game up. How are this? So that is how people were looking at the Jamaican government. Because what they were saying is that this man come give 100 house to Jamaica. And so, wagwan for Andrew. So right there, me realize a lot of the political people, them jumping at the space now and decide to talk about the things that Andrew Holness has also contributed. Watch a little video here.
Tonight you won't have to do this again.
That is it, Mr. Prime Minister. You better defend what you have contributed because really and truly it's going to look bad. It's going to look bad because everybody that side eye you. So there were several social media comments like somebody said, very happy for the 100 families. Didn't know over 500,000 Jamaicans didn't have a safe space to call home, because that is what PewDiePie, that is what MrBeast put in his YouTube video at the intro. You know, him have to make it look sad. When him got Africa, him can't make it look like Africa too exciting and everything are going over there. He must make it look like him really a comedian and give some charity and some well-needed stuff. And so the Jamaicans who were watching the video, we were all like, boy, the government not nothing at all. And so, you know, people come out in the government's defense. Somebody has said, man comes to Jamaica and hands out over 25 board houses. The people rejoice as they should. GOJ builds over 200 concrete structures with the same objectives, gets minimal attention from some while they proceed to attack the government with tweets like this. And let me just come say this. I'm not even defending Andrew Holness or anything, but like I understand a principle on social media. Whoever with the most popularity gets to control the narrative. And I just saw it go. So if you were somebody where you always help out the school picking them in a one district in a Another Bay, and you are doing it for 10 years, make Spice go do it, or make Shenseea or Jada Kingdom go do it. Nobody now gonna know that. They're gonna say, boy, Jada Kingdom are the only person who ever give back to Another Bay. I just saw it go because they have massive following. That's just how it goes. And so, you know, me just want to add for context that like some of the GLP people, they'll message me and try to show me things. Cause look like them, they know. They must say, the Prime Minister say, you know, in 2023, we built over 200 new houses under the new social housing program, and they're just starting. In 2024, we will ramp up the program to build 500 houses for Jamaicans living in extreme poverty and substandard living conditions. More for 2024. Honestly, at this point, MrBeast come back to Jamaica, because this is the type of competition that the government needs. You get me? So, more if you got Children's Hospital, come and fix some of the roads them now. So when them see you are the your thing, them can step it up. As a matter of fact, just stay here. Move to Jamaica now and just give your money. Because right now, yeah man, partner with Susan Show, just give back all kind of things now. Because we need a competition with the government. Right now, at a PNP, we need some outside competition for us to compete with any government that is in power. Alright? So that is it in the Berritos. Let me know what you make of the MrBeast video and the PM's response. Okay, so we've come to the end of yet another social media countdown. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Once you have done so, don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms at Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time. Ta-ta! Wah!
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.